What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Blackburn's Ever After Renovation slash remodels with me. So in this video, y'all will see me do a shed for a lady. She called me. She was like, hey, I got a shed. I want to see if you can do it. When I looked at it, gave her a price, ended up doing it, knocked it out. So hope y'all enjoy this video and feel free to comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, ring the notification bell. What's up, family? Back at it again. Got another project. I'm in Lowe's, had to pick up some stuff. Sheetrock. 11 sheets of sheetrock. Drywall, mud, tape. So, got a little project I gotta do. Finna go over here and show it to y'all. This is the little shed that I have to work on. Pretty nice looking little shed. I gotta put some underpinning down up under it, around the side of it. She don't want any critters going in. My friend, he did the electrical work. So now I'm just gonna come in and sheetrock. I already started bringing in the sheetrock. I got 2 pieces in so far. I swept up the trash. So sheetrock all the way around the walls, on the ceiling. And I'm also mud it and do the floor and paint it. So I just want to give y'all a little look at what it looks like right now before I do the sheetrock. It's a 10 by 14 shed. It shouldn't take too long to do. I think I got too many pieces of sheetrock, but hey, we'll see. I end up getting 11 pieces of sheetrock and we'll see how they go. So I'll get back with y'all. cutting sheetrock, you ain't gotta go deep. All you gotta do is score the paper on it. I'm gonna show y'all what to do when you do that. But I use that line popper to make sure I get a straight line. It don't mean you're gonna always cut straight, but I try to. Pop it back like that. See how it snap it? Right in half. Take the blade. Flip it just like that. Sit it to the side. Bring it over here. Bam. Pop it in place. So it's about quitting time for today. This is where I'm at. That wall done. That wall almost done. I got one piece put up. My batteries died. That's done. Got this to do. Then the ceiling. What's going on, guys? So I'm back at the shed. I came yesterday, but I ain't have my stick to record. So I have done a little work. I got the ceiling put up. I gotta cut this spot, put it up. This spot, and that wall. Then I can start mudding. But I'm having a little bit of problem cutting the angles. So I gotta make me a template. That way I know I cut them right. And then I gotta mud. Once I mud and sand, I can put the floor down. And then I can paint and then put up the trim. It shouldn't be too much longer. And I had this done and knocked out. So y'all just bear with me. We're gonna get finished. And I'm gonna fix that piece over there. And I'll show it to y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I finally got the angles figured out. Then I got the walls done. Got this angle right here done. I know the customer's daughter just came out. Excuse me, her daughter just came out. And she asked me, she's gonna be smooth? I said, yes, ma'am. She worried about like where you see that right there. She asked me it's gonna be smooth. I said, yes, ma'am. So I'm finna get ready to start mudding, and that mud gonna fill in a lot of these gaps, which I don't have a lot of gaps in here, but it's just all about mudding. Mudding is sometimes the hardest part, but I'm finna get to it. All right, y'all. I got my first coat of mud up with the tape. Everything looking good. I just gotta come back tomorrow, put another cut on it, sand it, paint it. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I might come back Sunday and paint it. Well, sand it and paint it. Yeah, that's my plan. But yeah, everything look good. I got a couple of spots I gotta fix, like that spot. But hey, I ain't no professional, but I try. It's coming along real nice. Gotta get all this sheetrock out of here. Just amazed how the angle pieces right here came out for the corner. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. So I'm back. We got everything mudded. So I'm finna sand it. My dad up here with me. But yeah, I'm finna sand everything. And I would like to paint today. Yeah, we finna get this trash out of here right now. Get the little trash out, sand it, and paint it. We'll be good to go. Sanding complete. Dusted it down. Now, time to paint. Cleaned it up. Come back tomorrow, I do the floor and trim. I just want to get it painted right now. Everything looks good. Yep. Alrighty. One step closer. I done painted the ceiling. Painted the walls. Look at it, look good, man. Look real good. Paint still got dry in some spots. I just gotta come in tomorrow, put the floor in, put the trim in, trim out the windows, around the door, and do the underpinning. It'll be a wrap for this. Go get her, let her check it out, see what she think. But like my dad said, it look good. Can't even tell they got seams in the wall. Look real good. My homeboy gonna finish that. Since he the electrician, he gonna finish that outlet. Also, he gonna put that ceiling fan in. All I gotta do is just trim work on the floor and put the floor in. Man, that'll be it. And I'll see y'all on the next project. Finished product. What's up, guys? So I hope y'all liked that video. I hope y'all liked the shed. It turned out a whole lot better than I thought. Not down myself, but I actually surprised myself. Yeah, and I'm recording in the bathroom because I forgot to do the ending and the beginning of the video. So I hope y'all liked it. So give me a thumbs up. Y'all got any questions or anything, just let me know.